Just want to make a video showing observation tags on the mobile as a way to do locations. So let's go under ranges and let's say it's gas and there's some igniter issues, so they're not lighting. So we could hit that and then open up the comment and we can use the tags. These are the ones at the upper part of the bar here. We're actually going to be changing this eventually, and I think they're going to be even cooler. But right now, if it was the front right, for example, I can hit that, and now I've got, and maybe it's more than one burner. Maybe it's also like the middle one, for example. So we can start adding locations that way. You can do, I do a chapter per bathroom, but you could even, if there were a defect in this bathroom, let's say it was a slow drain, but we were finding other slow drains, you could go ahead and add some bathroom locations, and I've got all my bathrooms. So if I found a slow drain in multiple bathrooms, rather than having the same comment show up in the summary page, I could just be like, well, there's one in the hall bath, there's one in the powder bath, and there's one in the upstairs bath. And now I've got 3 locations where I found a slow drain at the sink. Again, the tags to show locations, I use these for all kinds of things. Like let's go, for example, say on the grounds, and we'll do downspouts next to foundation. But maybe it's like an outbuilding or something where this is going on. I'll come under the tags, and I've got big picture locations. So it could be like the guest house. And now I've kind of tagged where that it's not the main house. So if you want to, if you go on desktop, if you go under settings and observation tags, you can make these lists. So I have appliance locations, bathroom locations, big picture locations, exterior locations. It's kind of cool the way you can collapse these interior locations. So like exterior, once I'm headed inside, I could probably get rid of, collapse a lot of these. So that there's less stuff in my way, and then you just have interior locations shown. So, all right, I hope this helps with location tags, observation tags on the mobile.